Show us how you stand. You standing nice and tall? Now stomp. Good job. Do it again. Do it again. There you go. Oh, you got lazy. Stand up. Look what you're doing. Look what you're doing. Oh, he wants to sit. Go, Caleb, go. Walk. Did Daddy just lay you down on your tummy? No, crawl. He's trying to roll over. Say yay!